With more than 70% of the area covered with forests, the Kingdom of Bhutan is home to a wide diversity of wildlife. Currently, Bhutan's conservation network comprises 5 national parks, 4 wildlife sanctuaries, 1 strict nature reserve, and 1 botanical park, which are all interconnected by natural biological corridors. The biological corridors give wildlife a secure habitat, particularly because of their location, which has several balanced aspects such as safe habitat with bountiful food resources, limited human disturbances, and enhanced conservation measures. Established in 1999 in commemoration of His Majesty the 4th Druk Gyalpo's 25th reign anniversary, the Biological Corridors Declaration is a true testimony of His Majesty's commitment and visionary leadership for conservation globally. Stretched over the western part of the country, Biological Corridor 1 is one of the 8 biological corridors established, and the corridor covers an area of 255.55 square kilometers. The Biological Corridor 1 spans across the beautiful landscapes of Jigme in Ha and Tsento in Paro. It connects Jigme Dorji National Park in the north to Jigme Khesar Strict Nature Reserve in the western part of the country. The Biological Corridor 1 serves as an important route for threatened species such as takin, snow leopard, dhole, and tiger to move between the 2 protected areas. In addition to providing connectivity between these protected areas, the corridor also serves as home to more than 20 other mammal species, thus providing you with an opportunity for a wonderful glimpse of the wildlife existing here. Whether you're a seasoned birder or just an amateur, you will be delighted to learn that a total of 51 different bird species pass over these locations. Also, more than 178 different bird species are found both within and around this corridor. The corridor is confirmed to be an important habitat for vulnerable bird species such as wood snipe, Tragopan satyr, and the Lophophorus impejanus. Additionally, BC-01 is also home to more than 23 species, 8 orchid species, and 71 species of medicinal plants recorded as of date. Because it is home to various species, the corridor is crucial for preserving biodiversity and facilitating the movement of wildlife. The corridor not only plays an important role in the conservation of biodiversity, but also has rich cultural and historical significance. Back in the early days, the current Sagala trek, which passes through the corridor connecting the communities of Ha and Paro, used to be traditionally utilized by communities of Ha to travel to Paro for cultivating paddy. A leisurely day-long trek along the trail will take you ascending through the interface of woodland and meadows while passing through Ha Valley's settlements and the dense forests on the Paro side. Travelers can find refuge in the forest's ancient trees. Be prepared to lose in the beauty of nature as the kingdom's most spectacular creatures, including Bhutan takin, tigers, snow leopards, and even lesser-known species like Asian golden cats, stroll majestically along this path. The trail, which has been revived recently, will not only provide opportunities for trekkers to indulge in the natural beauty, but also help our younger generations connect to their history. The trail is also expected to aid in boosting the economy of local communities through other ecotourism opportunities associated.
The Tambora, the Macheragi Sagalagi, Analu, Lotorjinto Macheragi, Chigakagi, the game to want to be that Chidi Dotin Tapsidi and Sagalagi, Lamdadi, Shinilani, the Umdara Macheragi, Kim Latin Digibeti Dinalo, Gakabi Umba Biruda, the Analo, Namsumi Pinto Bomi, Shinila. Jizumbe ngachari ikagi midiswe dinalo te pento seshini la laluchigi teta ta da gobdo dele kucha bagobi dele khoragi ikagi ta chesi tonni beruda jizumbe ikagi lazogi chala gokap anjumbe tonni bidi beru te gunurgi thinke diswe te tonni gokap yi seshini la anbindigi te gekhabi ne che da dele jizumbe te ikagi anle pento seshini di mase teta ngachari najindi sule gokap yi la laluchigi teta ne lamtempa ju budalu te analo ta analo the game this maso umdra ngachari lamtempa disuge gokap mambe to budalu economic gi pinto di bombe re sessionina
The Biological Corridor 1, which is home to multiple species of endangered flora and fauna, is also threatened and challenged by conservation challenges such as livestock grazing, illegal timber harvesting, littering, and encroachment of alpine meadows, amongst many others. In an effort to ensure the effective functioning of the corridor, the management carries out various interventions such as management of the habitats through the improvement of waterholes and alpine meadows, periodic monitoring and patrolling of the areas within the corridor, creation of awareness among the communities residing around the corridor, providing support for the development of alternative livelihood opportunities, and the engagement of communities in conservation activities. These interventions are carried out by the management of the Paro Forest Division of the Department of Forests and Park Services, Royal Government of Bhutan, which helps ensure that the takins, snow leopards, and many other such species can roam and move freely between places for food, shelter, and healthy reproduction. In a world where most protected areas exist in silos, Bhutan's protected areas thrive well due to the functioning of these biological corridors. Let all of us stand united in this critical conservation journey and help our wildlife to exist and move freely.